salami slicing machine, a slicing solution for food processing plants. Frisch's Vario-cut candy or bread making machine is compatible with all types of Danish pastries and bread. The Multivac H240 processing module demonstrates the perfect automatic loading of salmon fillets into the packaging machine. Wow! Almost all processes are automated. Even the box packaging is automated. That's amazing. With this automatic meat slicer, you won't have to slice meat for your wife anymore. Frisch's Multiflex L sheeting machine is used for making candy and bread, using complex cutting and hole punching technology to create dough with various shapes with high precision along the line, regardless of the type of dough. The filling machine is designed to accurately and efficiently fill a variety of liquid and thick products, including sauces, dips, fillings, and quitches. The machine can adjust the filling amount to suit with many different types of packaging. Please allow me to rate the speed of this cheese cutting machine. According to my observations, the machine has a fairly fast and steady cutting speed. This necklace is designed with simplicity and convenience in mind, especially suitable for beginners. Using it is very easy and even people with no previous experience can grasp it and use it fluently from the first time. Each beautiful white duck egg is neatly arranged in the box, like precious gems hidden in a luxurious box. Are you in a hurry to get to work? Do you need a quick but nutritious breakfast? Salmon flavor has long been a symbol of exquisite cuisine. The sweet, greasy taste and the softness of the fish blend together to create an unforgettable taste experience. Dear friend, are you suffering because your grilled meat is always lacking salt and sugar? Or are you bored because you keep marinating the spices, but the meat still isn't absorbed? Don't worry, your savior has appeared. This chicken mixing and roasting machine has the same structure as a concrete mixer. It works on the principle of continuous rotation, helping the chicken to be mixed evenly. Sausage production machinery with impressive productivity, ranging from 100 kilograms to 500 kilograms per hour, meeting the diverse needs of food processing facilities. Food automation is awesome. I will introduce to you a factory that produces millions of tons of dumplings every day.